So when it's time to paint a wall, you've got a lot of choices of paint rollers. And one of those options is the material it's made out of. So let's get these roller covers out of their packaging and take a look. So there are basically two top level choices you need to make. Number one is, are you going to use a synthetic fiber or a natural fiber roller cover? Now the rule of thumb here is that synthetic fibers pair best with water-based or latex paint. Natural fiber rollers, which are still technically man-made materials that are manufactured to mimic natural fibers, are best for applying oil-based paint, stain, or varnish. The second choice you're going to need to make is between a knit fiber or a woven fiber. Woven fiber paint rollers are generally going to work best when you want a smooth, durable surface, especially if you're working with higher sheen paints like semi-gloss. Now, knit fiber rollers are going to hold more paint than woven, so they're great for rough surfaces, and they're best for low sheen paints like flats and eggshells. So woven fiber is going to be more expensive than knit, but it tends to give you a better end product, especially if you're going for a smooth, flat surface like drywall. You'll have to go back to your paint tray more often with woven fibers, but you'll likely have a better finish. But if you're looking for the best possible finish, you want a roller cover constructed with microfibers. With Hyde's Evolution line of rollers, you'll find advanced microfiber material that is guaranteed to be lint-free. Evolution microfiber is durable, easy to clean, and extremely versatile. Interior, exterior, walls, ceilings, high sheen, or flat paint, the microfibers in these rollers perform exceptionally well across the board. Last up, we have foam rollers. Now, foam rollers are really only used when you want an ultra smooth surface, usually with high gloss paints. And on a smoother surface like cabinets or entry doors or window sashes, really anywhere where you want a high-end look with none of the stipple that fiber rollers leave behind. When you're ready to make your roller cover material choice, Hyde Tools has you covered with dozens of different options. Look for them at your favorite hardware or paint retailer or buy direct on HydeTools.com.